Greetings from Omaha, Nebraska. I don't know what road this is. We're at an Amoco or Amoco. I'm not sure what the correct pronunciation is, but found this gas station close to my hotel, and they have a car wash. So, yep, got that at the pump. The wash options, there's like two options for 8, 11, and then a 13. So I went ahead and did the 13. I was kind of wasn't sure to pick between this one or another one. I was originally eyeing for the other one. It was like a soft gloss max, I think, with a thrust pro dryer. But then I saw, well, this one appeared to be open, which it didn't say it was on Google Maps. So it's got a radius, which I haven't filmed. Well, only filmed it once. Hey, nice custom cover. Oh, it's got a new station too. Huh. If you look and see, there's like an indent on the door. This used to be a tunnel system. Get a thumbnail there. So yeah, like a custom cover radius, which is kind of neat. And finally we got those side blasters I've been looking for, and hopefully the dryer drops in this one. And yeah, it's the lesser common upper mounted version. So yeah, I wonder if this used to have the Ryko pay station. I'm still on the hunt for one of those. Okay, code 58466.
Please enter. Please wait while you're Thank you. Please pull forward slowly into the wash.
Okay. Let me put my receipt into my little stash. There we go. All right. It's missing like the other half of the gantry cover. Actually, maybe it's like an older one because it has the older Ryko logo on it. Cool. Alright, we'll see how well this one does. Yeah, I figured I'd do this instead of the Max because I've only filmed, you know, one of these compared to like 3-4 Maxes. Questionable sounds. It keeps readjusting the arm on this side. Yeah, a couple of the nozzles on top are not working. Meh. I'm not gonna be happy if the dryer doesn't drop. Oh. Yes! Yes! Mission accomplished, it actually dropped. Okay, the machine's gonna drip on me, better close my window. Yes! Alright, let's get a good slow shot of this. Oh, only 15 seconds? Good grief. Or no, oh, for a minute, I didn't see that. That third digit. Man, the thrust pros are good. They're underrated. Second little dip. I love the sound of Ryko tires too. Oh. Okay. I wasn't keeping an eye on the time, but at least I got through. Sweet. Thrust pros now checked off my list. Well, well, thank you all for watching. Hope you all enjoyed, and that'll be it.